You know what I love about this property, Chris, is that it's a family home that is just stunning. It's got so many adventure areas for the kids. It is a awesome location here in Tamahere. Tell us about the house.
Yeah, beautiful property, set on 1.1 hectares, 430 squares. We've got 5 bedrooms, the office, multiple living areas, triple car garaging. Got the stunning kitchen, indoor-outdoor flow, the pool. Everything is here.
It's a magic spot. I absolutely love it. So why don't we have a look around, eh?
Let's do that.
Let's do that.
Well, trees, I can just see it. Cricket on the lawn,
Yeah.
into the pool,
Yep.
finish in the pool, 5 metres that way to that beautiful al fresco outdoor dining area.
No barbecues and gin and tonics in the summer.
What a spot.
I know. So if that's what for you and your family this summer, why don't you come along to one of our open homes or give us a call and arrange a private viewing. We'll show you around and we'll get you in here this summer.
Sounds like a plan.